Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. I want to respond to a question. Someone said, can I talk about isithunywa, idlozi nokuthetshulwa? Angazi noma lo muntu ufuna ukwazi ukuthi lezi zinto eziyi-2, like mawunesithunywa mawunedlozi, can people steal it from you? Can people take it from you? Let's start here. Number 1, isithunywa umoya lo. Ngikhuluma ngomoya, ngikhuluma ngengilosi ehlambulukile. And wonke umuntu unawo umoya. And wonke umuntu unalo idlozi. You know? And why ngizosho kanjalo? Isithunywa, idlozi, kuyasebenzisana lokho. Well, mina angithanda ukukuhlukanisa. Why ngithi angithanda ukukuhlukanisa? Because of how I know, or from my experience. For mina, I could say into efanayo, omunye umuntu angathi into engafani. Why ngithi mina kuyafana? Imimoya le yethu ehlambulukile. And mangithi ihlambulukile kanje, isithunywa, it's normally said isithunywa, it's a messenger, it just brings messages. So abantu abaletha ama-messages, they are seen as people who just bring messages, but they don't bring healing. And now my question is, if you are saying nginesithunywa and I just bring a message and I am not a healer, what are you meaning? What are you trying to say? Because of me giving out that message, it's another form of healing. Me being able to tell you, ubani uyena okugwazayo, ubani uyena okuthakathayo, ubani, that is healing, because of immediately after telling you that, you are healed. You will stop. You will start praying. You'll start doing what you need to do because of I told you. Bese kuthiwa abantu abanedlozi, ibona ababonayo, yibona abalaphayo. That's when I say I beg to differ. Idlozi no umuntu okuthiwa unedlozi nomuntu okuthiwa unesithunywa, mina ngiyabahlanganisa labo bantu labo, ngoba ngithini, isithunywa nedlozi kusebenza. It depends ngamandla onawo. It goes back now to asilingani emkhathini, asilingani. Some of us are gifted to just see and tell people this is what's happening. People healed already by telling people a message. You have healed those people. Ubasusile bomnyameni ubafaka kuphi? Ekhanyeni. Simple as that. If ukwazi ukubona uphinde ube nama remedies ukuthi lo muntu lo akathathe ikhambeli kanje, akathatha amanzi kanje, akathatha into kanje, umnike lo muntu lo akusebenzise bese ayaphila. Injalo kukhona abathandazi, kukhona izangoma, kukhona inyanga, ama-traditional healer, siyahluka ngama-gifts wethu. All of us are in that category of healers. Kodwa i-healing yethu is very, very, very much different. Kuya ngani, ngamandla esithwese wona, lamandla esiwambethe. Because of a person can come anenkinga, ngimkhulekise, aphole, ngimkhulekise, awuthole umsebenzi, into zakhe zihambe kahle, akhanyelwe, konke kulunge. If lo muntu wayeblokhiwe, wayevaliwe ukuthi nje ingelosi yakhe ingasebenzi, ecindezela lo muntu, sifike thina sikhuleke, lo muntu bese aqalela phansi ke, igift yakhe is revived, yonke into yakhe ihamba kahle. That is so beautiful. That is healing. So to the person who's asking ukuthi isithunywa, idlozi, kimina mangichaza, idlozi nesithunywa kuyasebenzisana. And another thing of people thinking that idlozi, it's umama kumakashona, like the people who passed on, and then all of them, we're going to title them as amadlozi. Amadlozi wami, kumele sinakekele amadlozi and stuff. Hey. Uba idlozi. Can I tell you, mawufika emoyeni, mawufika la uyakhona, umveli nqangi is the one who's going to decide ukuthi you are coming back or not. Or le mimoya ephezulu yamajaji iyona esazokujaja ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uphelile na, uphelelisiwe kahle emhlabeni, or you still need to come back and protect ube umvikeli wekhaya or wenze something. Akusiwo wonke umuntu oshonile ekhaya okwazi ukubuya aphinde kuthiwa hayi lo uyasebenza unani. We all have different stories about the people who've passed on in our families. Some nibaphupha kahle, some nibaphupha kabi, some bavaliwe. Like there's a lot of things that are happening in the spirit. Kuningi, kuningi, kuningi. It's a topic for another day. So all I'm trying to say is that we pass on today, but when we go back, God still needs to say, do I need you to do things for me, Magaziwe? Or do I need you to continue with your journey? Because of there are old people who are shown back in impilo yabo ukuthi ubonile ukuthi bophila kanjani, abantwana bebaxakekile, abantwana bebahluphekile. You will have to go back in that house and become a guide. Whenever sometimes uphupha umuntu omdala owashona, mhlawumbe umkhulu or ugogo wekhaya, uphupha uthole ukuthi kuyaliwa or kune-attack, some spiritual attack, but ubona ugogo evika lapho. Gogo is still present in the spirit ngaphakathi kwegceke lakhe, usavika if needs be. If uyabuyisela emuva ukuthi you didn't do justice to this, to that, ngenye indlela uzobuyiselwa ngokomoya. So akusiyo wonke umuntu. So mangikhuluma ngalo moya ohlambulukile wesithunywa wengilosi, abantu you can generalize ukuthi mina isithunywa sami umkhulu, ayisithunywa sami ikhehla. Umoya lo ohlambulukile, because of as you continue to pray, kuyayiveza, it's going to show itself to you. Isikhathi masilokolo sihamba, abantu who are gifted abaphiwe, if bayakwazi ukubana bazobona ukuthi lo unamandla or lo uhamba nento kanje or uso bazokutshela futhi nalamakhehla uhamba nakanye nezalukwazi, lamakhehla nalezalukwazi uhamba. Those are your guardian angels. Those are the people that walk with you. Those are the people who protect you. Nabo, they are sent by God. Good. Look out for that one. The more you pray, the more communication you get. So to the person who's asked about idlozi, isithunywa, please ngicela ukuthi umuntu angabi confused. Young understand, because abantu bazothi kuphume esayidini lakhabo mama, kuphume esayidini lakhabo baba, and all of that. You need to just reflect, ubheke two backgrounds ovela kuzo. Is there anyone who's gifted? Do you have anyone who's gifted both sides? If ukhona, okay. If agekho, it's still okay, because of gifts are given by God himself. It's just that as healers, sonke siphelele asisebenzi ngokufana. I can be umthandazi, I can be a prayer warrior, but I am able to explain situations because of ngambulelwe emazulwini ukuthi this person is going through this because of this. This person had to pass on because of kunezinye izinto ekumele ukuthi ziyenzakala. If lo muntu akasuswa, kunezinto engeke zize zihambe kahle. So can you see ukuthi our healing just comes different, because some healing abantu badinga amazwi sometimes. It's not everyone odinga umuthi ukuthi azahile. Some people just need words. Amagama nje azovuselela ifaith yabo, badinga umthandazo. If it's physically vele so udinga umuthi, so udinga ama-herbs. God has made sure ukuthi unabantu bakhe abakhethile abaphile izipho ukuthi bakwazi ukuzosiza isizwe. And sonke siyingane zesithunywa, ngihlezi ngihlukanisa ukuthi kunabantu abathunyelwe ekhaya, iy'ngane eziney'thunywe ekhaya, kuney'ngane ey'thunyelwe emphakathini. Isithunywa sakho, ingelosi yakho kanye lo moya ombathiswe wona kuyahluka. ungabe uthunyelwe ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho ukuthi kube wena obonayo imilayezo, uphiwe imilayezo, ubone izimo zasekhaya, ulungise ekhaya, ulungise ngane ngokuthandaza, ulungise ngokukhuluma ngenkulumo. Ezinye izinto zilungiswa ngenkulumo ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi kube kanje kube kanje. If there are any other things that are beyond you, you can reach out for help outside. Kunabantu abanezithunywa ezithunyelwe emphakathini, wena ukwazi ukubona nangaphandle kwekhaya, ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani, ukwazi ukubona. It's totally different now. And kunomunye umuntu ozovela athini, manje that one shukuthi unedlozi in kuya nge-understanding yabantu. I'm here today to say isithunywa nedlozi imimoya le esikhuluma ngayo ehlambulukile, and le mimoya mayizoyiveza ingayiveza iyisalukwazi, ingayiveza igogo, ingayiveza i-animal, iyi-lion, ingayiveza i-python, i-snake, ingayiveza in any form, in any form ingayiveza. It can even come as birds during the day, mo inyoni, in like how you ukubonisa ukuthi isithunywa sakho sihlezi siphakeme, everything you are connected, you are connected. So abantu aba-understand. Umuntu uzovela athi hayi umuntu onedlozi kuphela okwazi ukuphilisa abantu, ukupholisa abantu. Cha. Healing is very much different. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. And then in my next video, I will try and speak about how or what could be the reasons, the ways of people trying to block eyakho ingelosi. It's a lot.